Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can select the heroes to follow you in Dragon Air Silent Gods. So firstly, I made this video for beginner that's still confused in this game, how you can change the hero to follow you in the journey. And you can make a team or company to journey in this game. And firstly, go to the camp and try to look for the heroes. This is as you can see, there are 4 heroes here. This is the heroes that follow my journey, and you can change the heroes by tapping this icon. Tap the icon on your main heroes, and you can select the heroes that you want to follow. Like this, I want to change, and as you can see, they are gone, and change with this and confirm. You can change, you can select heroes, only 3 heroes to accompany you, and tap adventure. And as you can see, this is the hero that follow me in the journey. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.